Thank you for inviting me, and I was asked to describe the situation in Ukraine with ARV treatment and how we managed to decrease prices for this treatment by means of generic treatment access. This is our team, and we mostly work on advocacy. Our mission is treatment access for all, and we unite more than 100 organizations around Ukraine dealing with different issues, which are HIV, hepatitis, tuberculosis, cancer, etc. We ensure full funding for treatment by the state, so we advocate on behalf of patients for that, and we monitor state tenders on procurement of medicines so that there is less corruption and that necessary medicines is procured. So, talking about Ukraine, you can see on this graph that in 10 years the treatment access to antiretrovirals increased significantly. While we had only 560 people on treatment in 2004. Now we have almost 56,000 people receiving antiretrovirals, but it's still not enough. We only have 40% coverage from the need. If to talk about treatment access, you will see that today in Ukraine an average treatment course costs around $100 per year per patient. And that's also the reason why we had such a significant treatment access. So those graphs are interconnected between each other. I will tell you a few stories how we as patients community organization dealt with prices on treatment and involving generic competition in our country. So in 2001, the first initiative on price reduction in Ukraine under Accelerated Access Initiative of UNAIDS took place. And negotiations with several leading pharmaceuticals took place there, after which one company, which was GlaxoSmithKline, agreed to reduce prices for their treatment down to $1,300. In 2003, 12 generic companies of ARVs were registered in Ukraine, produced by Cipla and Ranbaxy. And thus competition from the side of pre-qualified ARVs became an effective tool in price reduction. In 2004, the price for first-line ARV combination in Ukraine became less than $300 per patient per year. In 2008, Ukraine was at risk of losing its generic country status because of the agreement with the World Trade Organization. In 2010, Merck sent an official letter to Global Fund principal recipient in Ukraine, who is also procuring ARVs besides of Ministry of Health. And they demanded to stop the generic